Hello everybody, I'm Enchanted Moon and welcome to my channel. I have another witchy unboxing for you. This is September's, I believe, Midnight Muses, because I believe we get that every month, and the Sugar Muses is every other. So that's what I believe this is, and I don't know the theme, so let's get to it. Yes, Midnight Muses. This is what it looks like when I open it. So let's get to it. I mean, maybe the light off might be better. I think it'd be better. All right, let's see. So our theme for September, guys, is the autumn equinox. So very excited. And in her paperwork, she always has imagery in the back, which is really cool if you can see it that way. I love it. Okay, our beautiful artwork. Oh, this is absolutely stunning. I love her art. I really do. Isn't that like so, like, you want to put that in a frame and put that on your wall? I do. That is so nice. Shiny. Very pretty. Super excited. Ooh, what is this? I don't know, but I love it. It's got that plastic. I don't know if it's been made that way or what. But anyway, I got, I think, the Magician. No, number 2 of Pentacles. I think it's 2 of Pentacles. It's really hard for you guys to see the imagery in this because it is dark. But let me see if I can get that up. Yeah, it's not going to come up. It's very dark for the camera to pick up. Anyway, we'll find out more about that card. Then we have beautiful wrapped in the perfect bow. It says quartz. So we have a quartz tumblestone. This one's got some pretty rainbows in it. I gotta open it so you can see that. I hate opening them. Okay, let me do that. Because it's so much time goes into the presentation. I hate to, like, destroy it. And I don't even know sometimes if I can open it correctly without rounding it. Okay, come on, Tina. Too hard today. Okay. I got it, I think. Nope, I do not. Oh, I see why. All right, now it'll open. So yeah, this quartz has got some beautiful rainbow in it. Can you see that? Let me see. I think it's better this way. But anyway, these are really high quality because you can see the rainbow in it. Really pretty. I love it. Okay. What else we got in here? We have, might be our perfume oil. We have a autumn equinox ritual oil. And like I said, I love the theme. It's so pretty. I think the ingredients are in the back here, but it's hard to read. I love autumn, so I'm gonna take a smell. Oh, that smells good. That smells delicious. Awesome. Good enough to, like, eat. Ooh, we have a black household candle. And it looks like we have a sigil wrapped around it. We'll find out more about that. Very nice. We got are incense sticks, and it says Autumn Blend. Oh, that smells nice. I really wish, guys, you can smell this. Autumn's my favorite, and that smells so good. What else we got in here? We got this silver gray bag satin tied with a perfect bow. Let me see what's in here. It's so exciting, guys. Okay. Oh, I wasn't expecting that. I don't know what I was expecting, but this is absolutely beautiful. Let me see if I can fix it real quick. All right, mine's in a little knot, but it's not like I can't get it out. There we go. We have on a black tie ribbon, which you can hang, this gorgeous pentacle moon, aged bronzed, with bells, chime. This is freaking beautiful, guys. I love this. This is just so pretty. It looks like it might even be, I haven't seen anything like, maybe handcrafted. Really beautiful. Whoa. I love this. I can't believe that was in that little bag. That is absolutely gorgeous. Nice surprise. And we have a wooden altar tile pentacle. Or you can use it whatever you want, I guess. But that's what I would use it for. And our last item. Oh, no, I'm lying. Oh. 2 more items. All that in this box. Great. We got a reusable tea bag. And we have a organic black tea in here. A pretty bag. Information. Organic black tea. And then we have our little bottles. All right, let me see if get these open. Okay. So we got periwinkle. We got our casting salts. And we got, looks like a rosemary, which is very perfect for this time of year. Rosemary. Awesome box, guys. I just love it. All right, so let's find out a little bit more about this box. All right, let's see. We start the month of September with the harvest moon, which signifies a time to reap what we have sown. The time between the full moon, September 10th, which is today, and the beginning of October. It is an especially powerful time for spell work. Intention spells include protection, releasing negativity, harmony, balance, and fruits of our labor. Mabon is also known as the autumn equinox, fall equinox, September equinox, harvest tide, harvest home, harvest festival, wine festival, and feast of Avalon. Mabon is a pagan celebration originating from the ancient Celts. About 2,000 years later, is still celebrated today by Wiccans and neo-pagans. It is considered a time of mysteries and a time to give thanks to Mother Earth for her gifts. In remembrance of that time, it is often referred to as the Witch's Thanksgiving, and it begins by winding down of the witch's year. Night and day are of equal lengths again. Day and light, dark and light, inner and outer, inner balance. Summer's last glow slips away before the waxing darkness of the fall and winter. From ancient times, people around the world have marked seasonal turning points, using them as opportunities to give thanks, reflect on what they have reaped, and prepared for what they will sow next. In the balancing of nature, aligning the way to live life in tune with the rhythm of Earth's life cycles, this month's celebration is returned to the autumn and a cast protection spell that will shield us on the journey of upcoming shadow months. And then she goes into the Mabon correspondences, and then she also writes a ritual that you can use with all these items in the box, only if you wish. So I'm just going to pick out so I can give you some information. Obviously, the casting salts, autumn incense, promotes a protected sacred space. Equinox ritual oil. You could use it on your candles. You can use it in your bath. You can use it for your pulse points, your tools, whatever you like. It contains notes of aged cognac, red apples, golden amber, and dried autumn leaves. Essential oils of clove, nutmeg, and cedarwood. Very nice. Protection spell. You will need the black candle, the pentacle altar tile, and the rosemary herb and the periwinkle. So she also has a protection spell included in here as well, along with the black candle that she has included in here. Periwinkle is a potent magical plant and is considered to be the patron herb of witches. Rosemary is also used to cleanse and ward off evil spirits. Tumbled quartz, this is to cleanse and add powerful kick to spells and rituals. Witches' bells. Bells have long been associated with protection all over the world, hung around doorways and protect the homes from inhabitants from malevolent spirits and bad energy. Hang near your front door to ward off negative energy. Hang in your witch's cabinet, an altar to ward off low-level energy. Hang in the bedroom window and helps ward off nightmares. Hang in your car to ward off evil and bad luck. Ring the bell before energy and spell work to clear any negative energy out of the space. And that beautiful Into the Woods art print is by Christy. I wanted to see if they said anything more about the spell. Okay, yes. You can carve that symbol of protection into the wax to boost your spells. Or you can use it underneath the candle to boost it as well. Cool. As always, I love her boxes. This was another hit. I love it. I love that they're all different, using different items, not always the same. I love how the presentation on her items. I love that you have beautiful handmade items. Like, this is absolutely blew me away. I love this. Artwork and everything else. I mean, I can't wait to look forward to all her other boxes. So this is the only one we're going to get for September, but October we'll get the Sugar Muses Deluxe and then Midnight Muses as well. I'm very excited. I will leave the information about this box in the description below, guys. Thanks for watching.